So now what we are going to do, we will create some pages. So if you visit your website, you can see there is no menu appears and we doesn't have created any page yet. So go back to your dashboard and we will create a page. For this I will click on pages and it will take you to your pages setting. Here you can see two pages, privacy policy and sample page, which is a default created by WordPress. So now I simply delete these pages. To delete them, click on trash, or to delete bulk, I will tick this box. Both pages were selected and I will select move to trash from bulk and then click on apply. Now the pages were deleted. Now we will add a new page. For this I will click on add new. Now skip these settings and add a page title. I will type home. I will create this page with Divi, so I just publish this page. Now your page was successfully published. After creating home page, we will create 3 new pages. So I will click on this WordPress logo icon. It will take us to pages section. So I will again click on this add new button and then I will add about us and then click on publish. So now we have to do it 2 times more for our services and contact us page. So I will create services and then publish it and do it again for our contact us page. Click on add new and add contact us. Publish the page. Now we have to create menus. For this, hover over appearance and then click on menus. Now here at the top you have to add menu name. I will add primary menu. Now here you have to add menus. You can add posts, custom link, categories or pages. I will add pages. So I will select them all and then click on add to menu. You can adjust them by dragging and dropping. Now it will appear like that and it looks perfect. At the end you have to select footer menu or primary menu. I will select only primary menu and then click on save menu. Now you have successfully created menus. Now visit site. Now here you can see you have successfully added menus in your WordPress website. Now next we will set up home page as our landing page. For this we will go back to dashboard. Now go to settings and click on readings. In readings here you have your latest posts and a static page. I will select a static page, select a home page. Here you have some settings like full text, excerpt or post per page. I will leave them, just click on save changes. Now the setting was successfully updated. Now next I will show you how you can purchase and add Divi theme in your WordPress website.